Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I think you all are well. And today you are welcome to my ICT class, and I am your Riyadul Hassan Mahfuz sir and your ICT teacher. And I hope you all are very good and uh, in your home, and you are just continue reading very well. Okay. Today I will going to discuss about cable medium from chapter number 2. We are discuss about our previous topic, that is data communication mode and method. Did you learn that properly? I think you all are read that properly. And after that, these two topic, we are going to about the cable medium. Discuss about the cable medium. Okay. We know in our communication there are many type of cable, like fast coaxial cable. Everyone, you have TV and you have dish line, in which dish line, to use this line, which cable we use, that is called coaxial cable, that especially black color cable. Next, twisted pair cable. We all use Wi-Fi line router. In the router, we use a white cable. That router line cable is called twisted pair cable, or we have LAN phone, LAN telephone. In LAN telephone, we also use this twisted pair cable. Okay. Last one is optical fiber cable. This is very good and very finest cable. From these three cable, this one is very good, and the data transmission rate is very fast in this cable. Now we are just going to discuss about the coaxial cable. Here is a figure of bisecting figure of coaxial cable. Say this is the first part, then the part, then that part, and this is the most inner part of the cable. First, the most inner part is called central core. Central core, which is made by solid copper. Solid copper. This is made by solid copper, and this part is very. This part is used to transfer data from one place to another, and this is the main part. This is the core part, from where we just transfer data. Then surrounding this, there is a dielectric insulator. Do you know what is insulator? Insulator is a part. Insulator is a part which obstruct the signal to get spread. Okay, I'm going to spread, and which data is going through the central core, and this dielectric insulator just surrounding this core, and it is just protect. If any signal wants to spread from core, then the work of the insulator, dielectric insulator, is to protect this signal and to continue the signal into the core. After that part, we have metallic shield. That is like one kind of net type, and this metallic shield is used to protect EMI of the signal. And we pass a signal from the core, and the EMI means electromotive interference, and the electromotive interference is protected by this metallic shield. Okay, next part is plastic jacket. Top of the cable, at the top of the cable there is a hard plastic, that is called plastic jacket. We use jacket to protect our body, and here this plastic jacket also used to protect the cable from any kind of vapor or any kind of hard like this. Okay, there is two type of coaxial cable, like one thin net. Thin net. According to the diameter of the core, this cable is classified. The core diameter of thin net cable is 0.25, and thicknet. Thicknet is a one kind of coaxial cable. The diameter of that core is 0.50, 0.50, and it can transfer data 185 meter without using any repeater. And thinnet cable can send data or transmit data 500 meter without using any repeater. Now, what is the work of repeater? Repeater is a device which is used after 2 km of each cable, each transmission line, to maintain the spread of data signal. Again, I am saying that repeater is a device used in transmission line after 2 km. After each 2 km, then the repeater can continue the spread of data signal from starting point to ending point, and that's all in coaxial cable. Now we are going to the next cable, twisted pair cable. Say twisted pair cable. Twisted means twist. Anything that is twisted. And twisted pair cable. In twisted pair cable there are 4 pair. Pair means 2 wire makes a pair, and here say 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair and 4 pair. There is a 4 pair and 8 small wire, and 2 wire makes a pair. And there is a special color white in every pair. There is a white color wire in every pair, and another color is combined with this, like yellow, red, gray, like this. Okay, and these cables are in a plastic jacket, and the frequency loss of this cable is excessive, and the frequency range is up to 5 megahertz. And the twisted pair cable, the bandwidth is 10 Mbps to 1 Gbps. Here is a large bandwidth in here. And twisted pair cable is cheaper than any cable. Any 3 cable, the cheaper one is twisted pair cable. And for short transmission of data signal, this is very good wire. Then there are also 2 type of twisted pair cable. One is UTP and another one is STP. UTP means unshielded twisted pair cable, and STP means shield twisted pair cable. Okay, this is coaxial cable and this is twisted pair cable. Now we are going to just discuss about our last one, optical fiber cable. Okay, I'm just taking 1 minute's time. Say optical fiber cable. Okay, I'm just writing here. This cable is made by glass, and the total internal reflection process, this signal is transmitted from one place to another. The first one is inner part is called core, which is made by glass. Okay, there are 3 parts in optical fiber cable. The inner part is core, that is made by glass. Okay, then that is the upper part is called cadding. Cadding is also made by glass. Okay, last one is jacket, hard plastic jacket. Okay, now data in optical fiber cable, total internal reflection process, it is transferred from one place to another place. And if any reflected light spread from the core, the cadding is working that if any light is reflected or just spread out from the core, and the work of cadding is to protect that signal, and it convert that or it transmit again into the core. This is the work of CADing, and the diameter of core is 10 to 100 micrometer, and CADing is 125 meter, 125 micrometer. And last, there is a hard plastic jacket in optical fiber. Okay, this is made by glass, and this plastic jacket is made by totally very hard plastic, and it cannot blend like U shape. If you just bend it in U shape, then your core and CADing will be destroyed, then your transmission line, then your transmission wire will be distracted. Okay, in these three cable, in our exam there must be a one cable, there will become must one cable, and we have to learn the description. We just now like the what we will just read in here. First, description of the wire, the type, TYP, type of wire, lineage, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, optical fiber. There is no kinds of optical fiber cable. There are two parts of coaxial cable, thin net, thick net. There is two part of twisted pair cable, UTP and STP. And last one, optical fiber. There is no kinds of optical fiber cable. Optical fiber is one kind of optical fiber cable. And advantage, disadvantage, advantage and disadvantage. This is our today's homework. I think you just get a clear concept of three cable: coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, and optical fiber cable. I think it will helpful for your homework. And for today we are just discuss these three cable. Next day we will just discuss about another topic, and I think you will just learn this in your home properly, and after memorizing this you will just give a feedback in my Zoom class. And from till then, now, okay, thank you, Allah Hafiz from today. Hope there will be next conversation in our next class. Okay, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.